Hi, I am Gauri Kamath, headmistress with Shri Mahalakshmi Primary School. मुष्टी फंडान आमी भुरग्यांक प्रोत्साहन दिता की आपलो कल्चर, our own tradition that has been passed to us from generations. Our ancestors have passed to us different kinds of traditions and culture. हे आमी सांबाळप हे आमचें कर्तव्य. It is our duty to keep it safe. Keep it safe and also pass it to the next generation. So at Mishti Fund, what we are trying to do is encourage children to understand that we are what we eat. In the tiffin, what they bring is a homemade food. So this is simple activity that we have done, especially in the month of Shravan, because Shravanat आपल्या घरी वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या भाज्या येतात. Because we are veg. Most of us prefer to be veg. कारण आपले खूपशे सण आपण श्रावणात आपले असतात आणि ही मुलं जेव्हा एकमेकांच्या ताटात बघतात किंवा एकमेकांच्या टिफिनमध्ये बघतात की बाबा अरे तू अळूची भाजी आणली, अळू हे कुठे होतं, तायकिळा हा कुठे वाढतो किंवा आकूर जो पावसात मिळतो, जो नदीच्या काठी होतो, हे ह्या वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या भाज्या and how what are the health benefits of these vegetables is something that we give this day for them to learn about these vegetables. So these are all the preparations that are made by the children. Of course, parents have prepared it, and I thank the parents of Mushti Fund Primary who have put in lots of efforts. त्यांच्या busy schedule मधनं त्यांनी हे preparations करून पाठवलेले आहेत. So thank you so much.
मेरा नाम है रिद्धि विशाल जायसवाल और मैं चौथी कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मैंने आज पनीर और पूरी लाया है। पनीर में प्रोटीन और कैल्शियम मिलता है। हम लोग ये दिवाली में बनाते हैं और गणेश चतुर्थी में। थैंक यू। These are made from turkeys, especially these are made with jaggery, coconut and wheat flour. Thank you. My name is Gopi and I brought khatkate, and khatkate is so healthy and our body will be strong also, and I like khatkate. My name is Vivitan Guptiga. Today I brought Amare Saga. It is commonly made in festivals like Diwali and Ganesh Chaturthi. It has vitamin C. It is made out of some jaggery and coconut. It has some sour taste. Thank you.